Good morning, World Geography students. This is Mr. McLaughlin, and it is Tuesday, April 7th. Let's look at what y'all are doing today. As always, we're going to scroll down here and click on our slideshow first. And that slideshow is going to pull up a checklist for what we need to get done today. If we look over here, we are on day 7. And it shows that we're going to watch the daily video from Mr. McLaughlin for your bell work and complete the Lab 3 assignment using Kami. You can find your maps on Google Classroom. They will also be under day 7. Mr. McLaughlin will be available from 11 a.m. to noon and from 5 to 6 p.m. to answer questions over video. Look for a link on Google Classroom right before that happens. Okay, we're going to start off by looking at our bell work, which I have up here. So bell work for April 7th for geography. Please list 3 things you know about the countries we are working with this week. For example, 3 things you know about China, Japan, Vietnam, or any of the other countries we're dealing with. I picked those 3 because those are the 3 that most of you should have heard something about sometime in your life. So anything you know about China, Japan, or Vietnam. I'll tell you about Japan. Me and Angela just watched a movie called My Neighbor Totoro, and I know that that movie comes from a Japanese studio. It's a very enjoyable film. Okay, coming on back to World Geography, let's look at what we are doing today. We're doing Lab 3. And looks like we already have one person turning it in. We should have posted the bell work earlier. My apologies. But here are your instructions. Lab 3, Monsoon Asia. As you click that and open it, you can see all of the questions here. You can either answer those with Google Documents, or you can go ahead and click on Open with Kami up top. And that will load it. While that is loading, let's go ahead and go back and look at the transparencies real quick. And we have them right here, transparencies for Lab 3 and Lab 4 tomorrow. Also, of course, if you look under classwork and you click on day 7, you see the lab there, and you also see the transparencies. You'll also find your bell work right here under this topic. So under classwork and day 7 will be a good way to organize this. All right, we should have Kami just about pulled up here. So you're going to answer the questions based on these transparencies. What is the most common type of vegetation? Let's see. I have vegetation, Monsoon Asia right here. So you would click on that to find out. You would click on text box right there, and you could start typing right here. Of course, go back and fix your capitalization and spelling, but you can start typing right here. Okay. Other than that, we should be good. You're going to save it. That's print. You're going to save it right up here, and you're going to save it on your Google Drive. That way, when you turn it in, you can just attach it from your Google Drive. Go ahead and leave a comment below if you have a problem with that, if there's anything I can help with, or I will be on video chat from 11 a.m. to noon and from 5 to 6 p.m. You can also reach me day or night by email at jerry.mclaughlin@lubbockisd.org. Okay, yes, I want to leave the site, and I think that should be good. Y'all have a wonderful day.